Hey everyone, Michelle here from Scrappy Soul Sister, and thank you first of all for joining my channel. I am here with you today with an unboxing video. Now this is one of the fall 2025 49 and Market mystery box bundles, so $200 value, and so it was $59.99, so a great deal if you are looking for to supplement your 49 and Market collection. Now, full disclosure, I got this box, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago. And I had intended to do an unboxing video, but I was so excited that I just dove into it and put everything away. And then afterwards, I realized just in the last day or two, oh, I wanted to do an unboxing video. So I kind of found it in my collection and brought it back into the box. And so there's a few things that you can tell. The packaging, I took out of the packaging, and so that's why everything that you receive is in first condition. So you don't receive anything with damaged packaging or anything like that. But I think I remembered everything. If I forgot anything, then it would have been just single sheets of paper. And I don't know how many single sheets you receive in the mystery box. I was able to locate 7. So I got my box from My Little Scrapbook Store, and so I'll be sure to include their link in the description in case they have any more. So now when you receive your box, first of all, it's just a gorgeous box if you haven't received these before, and then you know, it does have paper in it, all that type of thing. I have disposed of mine, so let's get into it. So I received 3 packs of flowers, and I think that everyone, the type of merchandise you get is pretty similar. It's just the actual SKU might be different. So everyone is probably going to get flowers of some sort. I don't know if everyone gets 3 or how that works, but everyone will get flowers. I got celery, thistle, and cornflower. Very pretty colors. I received repositionable tape, fabric tape from the Kaleidoscope collection. So pretty. And I love using fabric tapes to bind like mini books and stuff, as well as, you know, you can put them through your die cutter, all sorts of fun stuff. So it has this lovely little celery green, and then a butterfly print, and then a larger wild botanical print. So I think I received one set of ticket essentials. Now I say that because I have received a mystery box in the past, and I have some of the tickets from that, but I think I received one in this one, and this is in the Grove color. And then finally, for washi or for tickets, that type of thing, I received the postage stamp washi tape from Spectrum Sherbert. So this is the one thing that I could not find the rest of the packaging for. Now this is Moonlit Garden, and it is a 2-pack journaling pack. And this is really, I think, the only Moonlit Garden piece that I have in my collection, because I started using 49 and Market after Moonlit Garden came out. So I'm excited to play with it. I got quite a few rub-ons, so let me grab a couple of those out of here. So Ocean, and this is a great rub-on set. It has some of the florals, and it also has some of the horizontal lines that you can use under titles and such. some verbiage. So here is the picture of all the sheets that you get. And Ocean is such a easy color to use. And then we have Salsa. And so this is 2 6x8 sheets. I love the little vintage sayings that it has. And then on this side, it has more text prints, some butterflies. Again, a really easy color to use. I've received this 6x8 collection pack from Color Swatch Charcoal. And let me just say, I have a pretty good size 49 and Market collection. I was really surprised that I got so many SKUs that I don't have in my collection. So I have lots of pieces of charcoal, but I did not have the 6x8. And so I was excited to see that. I'm going to put this one aside for the moment. I also received the 6x8 in Kaleidoscope. And again, I didn't have this one, though I have the Kaleidoscope collection. I've just recently been starting to buy more of the 6x8 pads just to extend the life of my kits a little bit more. This is what I was reaching for. Because I did receive a couple other pieces of charcoal, and so I was really excited to see that, just because charcoal is something that you can really intermix with other kits when you want to add just a bit of a neutral. And so the mini laser cut elements, and so I did not have these in my collection. I think I have the large ones. And then the rub-on transfers, and I did already have this one, but I've already used a lot of it, so it's a great replenisher. It has quite a bit of botanicals and butterflies, but it also has a great background piece with some sayings. From the Wherever collection, I received the Wherever Fly rub-on transfers, and so I did not have this one. I had one of the other rub-ons from this collection. So again, a great supplement for my current stash. I still have quite a few embellishments of this collection. I don't have a lot of paper left, but it's really easy to use with cardstock or with pages from other collections. And then these Wherever chipboard frames. And so love, love, love frames. And these coordinate with so many other things. So I also have this Art Options Rouge Essential File Set. And I haven't received this type of SKU from any of the other 49 and Market, so I'm excited to get in and play with it. So envelope pockets as well as file folders, and so you can base a whole layout around one of these sets, and so that'll be fun to play with. And then I received this ephemera pack of Evergreen Season. So perfect time, right? I'm getting into the holiday season. So I have bits and pieces of Evergreen from last year. So I'm excited to supplement my stash, maybe do a mini book of some sort, because I also received... That is the pad that I got. So a 12x12 collection pack of Evergreen. And this is one of my favorite holiday collections, just because I really love the wood accents, and I really love the light blue in there as well. And this Santa is one of my favorites. So Toddler Time. So I have played with Toddler Time a bit in the past. I don't have very much of it left at all, but this is the page kit. And so if you receive this and you don't have kidlets, You can always use like heritage papers, that type of thing, because it has that illustrated vibe of, you know, play with Dick and Jane type of thing going on. Or you can always just cover the kiddos with other elements. You could do like an embellishment cluster here, that type of thing. But I really love the colors for toddler time. So I will definitely get use all of these. And then finally, here are my single sheets. Like I said, I believe I found 7. I think that's the amount that I got. But if they're giving it out in batches of 10, then I was unable to find 3. So this first one is Evergreen Season, and this is a solid. I got another piece of this Yuletide Abundance with this Santa here. And then on the back is this buffalo plaid. Since I have 2 pieces, then I can use them both ways, right? Rust and Revs. Now, I do not have any Rust and Revs in my current collection, but it looks like it would be very easy to use with some of the other 49 and Market Dennis Bruton collections, as far as just mix it in. And yeah, because it looks like I could use it with Wonderlust pretty easily. So yeah, so there's that. This one is a piece of cottagecore. Again, a collection that I do not have, but it looks like I can probably intermix it with another solid, or I can use it with a different collection. Vintage Orchard. So I really like this kind of burlap looking print. Even more so on this side. And then Vintage Orchard, I have some embellishment pieces left. I don't think I have any cardstock of any type, so this will be good with that. And then 2 more pieces of Toddler Time. Now, both of these are solids in the bright blue and the deep orange. And then on the back is the same color, but more textured. So I can add that to my Toddler Time collection. So that is my box. And so it was a lot of fun to open. And it's just like a little pre-Christmas present to yourself. And I highly recommend it. So if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments. And thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video.